I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 230 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers. We take the cool, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, with all the storms, I had to cancel my cruise. Will I get my money back? We want a king bed configuration, but we want separate blankets. Will Carnival ever do the unlimited photo package again? I got a 14-day platinum cruise. How many bags of laundry do I get? And Cruise the Vinyard package. How does it work?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser was wondering, for all the people who were affected by the storms, the winter storms, and if they had to cancel their cruise but had no insurance, would they get any kind of a refund because it was a weather-related emergency? John said no. He's afraid they would not. That's why they really do promote the insurance. So, especially cruising during the winter, there are some northern ports, and they do get the occasional ice storm or snowstorm. So, definitely buy the insurance, because if it's so snowy or icy you simply can't make it to port, then you're not going to get anything back. Get the insurance. It is very helpful. Question two. This cruiser prefers the king bed configuration in the room for her and her husband, but when they're at home, they sleep with separate blankets on a king bed. They wanted to know if it was okay to ask the room steward for 2 blankets along with the king configuration. John said, ask. He's sure they'll do whatever they can with that request. Liz and I always get the king bed, and it's 1 blanket. So I'm guessing if they set it out to twins, they have smaller blankets, so they might be able to do the king bed configuration with twin blanket sizes. I don't know. If you've ever done it, put a comment below. Question 3. 3, it's like John. This cruiser asked if Carnival would ever do the unlimited photo package again. They purchased it in 2018, and they have not seen it since. John said they honestly couldn't handle the amount of people asking for the unlimited photos. It was impossible to manage, and at the moment, they have no plans of bringing it back. Now everything's digital, though. So how hard can that possibly be? Everything's uploaded. It's all digital, so I mean, just put them all on a thumb drive. I think they should bring it back. I think they can charge the snot out of it, and then you can get every single picture that's there, and you don't have to select it. I can see when they printed them out and they're individuals, that's got to be a booger. But if you like to have all your photos, they don't have an unlimited package still. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 4. This cruiser is going on a 14-day cruise, and they are platinum status, and they wanted to know how many bags of laundry will they get with their platinum perks. John said on a cruise this length, they would get 5 bags of laundry. That's a lot of laundry. Those are good-sized bags. So, I don't know. That seems like too many bags. But whatever. Some people like doing the laundry a lot. We'll be back for a week, and we can have too many suitcases. So, laundry might be an option for less suitcases. Last question. This cruiser was curious about the Cruise the Vinyard package and how it works. Do they bring the bottles of wine to you at your table in the dining room? How's it work, John? John said you can order from the dining room, but you can also order it from one of the bars. I've seen a couple different things. You have to go to Cherry on Top and get a coupon. Pardon me. You can take the bottle, if you don't finish it, with you back to your room. Some say you can't. So if you've ever done the Cruise the Vineyards package, please put some comments below so we can put out the right answers, because we've never done it. We're not wine drinkers. That's been episode 230 of Yakety-Yak, right from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.